If you're looking for the best Andrew Ng courses on Coursera, you're in the right place. These are the top 3 courses that can help you build valuable AI and machine learning skills. Before we begin, if you plan to take more than one course, check the discount link in the description. You can currently save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. At number 3 is AI for Everyone. This beginner-friendly course has a 4.8-star rating and over 53,000 reviews. No coding is required. You'll learn how AI works, where businesses use it, and why responsible AI matters. It's perfect for anyone who wants a solid introduction. At number 2 is Supervised Machine Learning, Regression and Classification. With a 4.9-star rating and more than 33,000 reviews, this course teaches Python, regression, classification, feature engineering, and model evaluation. It's one of the best starting points for learning practical machine learning. My top recommendation is the Machine Learning Specialization. This is Andrew Ng's flagship program on Coursera. It has a 4.9-star rating with nearly 39,000 reviews. You'll learn supervised learning, unsupervised learning, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, and real-world machine learning skills through hands-on projects. Andrew Ng's courses are trusted worldwide because they're created by deeplearning.ai and built on years of teaching experience. The certificates are also well recognized by employers. If you want to complete several Andrew Ng courses, Coursera Plus is usually the smarter choice. Buying courses separately can cost much more over time. With Coursera Plus, you get access to thousands of eligible courses and can earn unlimited certificates with one subscription. If you're ready to start learning, check the discount link in the description to save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus.